Good day, everyone. Today we will discuss the 2016 data breach involving the Commission on Elections. And This incident exposed the personal data of millions of voters due to major cybersecurity failure. We will analyze this case using the GRC, Governance, Risk Management, and Compliance, and explain how integrated GRC approach have prevented it and or reduce it. So for the case background, COMELEC is the Commission on Elections in the Philippines, responsible for administrating and supervising election in the country. In March 2016, the Philippine Commission on Elections suffered a data breach that exposed the personal information of 55 million registered voters. The attackers behind the breach were a group of hackers known as the LuzSec Filipinas, who claimed responsibility of the attack. The attackers exploited vulnerabilities in the Comelec website and used SQL injections techniques to gain access to the database containing the voters' information. The stolen data include the personal information such as full names, addresses, birth dates, and passport numbers. The attackers also leak a portion of the stolen data online and make it publicly accessible. And this incident was considered as one of the uh, largest government-related data breaches in the history and raised concern about the security of the government system in the Philippines. So the problem here is the vulnerabilities in the common data breaches include the use of weak of password, outdated software, lack of encryption, and the absence of comprehensive cybersecurity plan. So, first, they use outdated and vulnerable software. So the Comelec website was running on an outdated version of CMS or Content Management System of Joomla, which have several known as vulnerabilities that had not been patched. Other one is weak password policies. Some accounts having passwords as simple as word passwords or 12345, something like that. Uh, the other one is insufficient data protection. Databases was not properly protected, as evidenced by the lack of encryption and the storage of sensitive information, such as the um, password numbers. It's only plain text. And the last one is the poor incident response planning. The Comelec IT team did not have a proper incident response plan in place. For the GRC analysis, in terms in the governance, there were clear weaknesses in leadership and oversight. The organization lacked strong cybersecurity policies and failed to enforce proper data protection standards. Decision makers did not prioritize information securities, and there was limited accountability in managing IT system. This shows that the governance structures were not effective in guiding and monitoring the cybersecurity efforts. So back then, Comelec officials faced legal and political backlash for the breach, including the calls of resignations and charges for negligence and violation of data privacy laws. And this incident damaged the reputation of the COMELEC and the Philippine government, as well as the erratic public trust in the electrical system. For the risk, in terms of the risk management, several critical risks were not properly identified or controlled. The system had vulnerabilities weak database protections, and insufficient safeguards for sensitive information. Regular risk assessment and security testing were not conducted. Because of this, the organization was not prepared and allowing the attackers to exploit these weaknesses. Back then, uh, 55 million voters' personal information was exposed, including those names, full names, addresses, birth dates, passport details, which can be used for identity theft, fraud, and other cyber crimes. Uh, and also, hackers sold the stolen data on the dark web, potentially the earnings millions of those from their buyers. So, in terms in compliance, the breach suggests that the legal requirements were not fully followed, especially under the Data Privacy Act of 2012. Proper secure measures to protect the personal data were either lacking or poor implemented. This indicates failure of to meet the regulatory standards for data protection. So the Comelec spent almost 1.2 million or approximately 23 million US dollar to address the data breach, including the investigation, system upgrades, and free credit monitoring for affected individuals. The importance of integrated GRC for preventions are regular conduct security audits and risk management to identify the vulnerabilities and mitigate them, encrypt sensitive data both in transit and at risk to protect it from unauthorized access. An integrated GRC system could have significantly helped to prevent or reduce the impact of the breach by aligning governance, risk management, and compliance into one system. The organization could have improved oversight, identified the risk earlier, ensure the legal compliances, and responds more effectively to the threats. Integrated GRC strengthens security and improve decision making and builds organizations' resilience. For conclusions and recommendations, in the conclusions, the Commissions on Elections, the COMELEC, data breach clearly demonstrate that cybersecurity is not merely a technical issue handled by the IT departments, but a broader concern that involves the governance, risk management, and regulatory compliance. These incidents underscores how vulnerabilities in one area can significantly impact public trust, institutional credibility, and even the democratic processes. Uh, to address these challenges, organizations must adopt a holistic and integrated approach. This includes establishing a strong governance frameworks that define accountability and leadership in the cyber security efforts, implementing proactive risk management strategies to identify and mitigate the potential threats, and ensuring the strict compliance with the data protection laws and standards. Furthermore, continuous monitoring, regular security audits, employee awareness training, and invest in modern security technologies to strengthen the defense against the evolving cybersecurity threats. Collaborations between the government agencies, private sectors, and cybersecurity expert is also crucial in building a resilient digital environment. Ultimately, uh, protecting sensitive information is not just about preventing breaches but about sustaining trust, uh, ensuring operational continuity, and supporting long-term organization stability. Uh, Protecting data ensures trust, stability, and long term success. That's all. Thank you for listening.